Right then, so this is another part of the tank video. Okay, so what we're going to do today, I don't know, quite honestly. Let's see if we can get the flint in the turret, shall we? Okay, so this is how the turret is. She's done with it. Yeah, we've had Raj over here quite a lot. So, anyway, so if you can see there, that flint I put in here, that's a Zippo flint. I just set it with super glue. It was actually not quite the right size to go in. It was slightly tiny. That's the air fryer just beeping if you wanted to know. Okay, so what I discovered with this is that, I don't know, you may not have had to take this tank apart at all to replace the flint. Because looky here. Look, see this? I couldn't understand why this was like this. Here we have, on the top of this piece, see? It sticks up. I was wondering why that was sticking up like that. It actually slots in the top of the cannon. Okay? It slots in here. Hang on. Oh dear, I can't see what I'm doing. There you go. So look, it slots in the top of the cannon and then folds back down again. Now, is that possible to get that out without taking the turret off? If the flint's worn out, I don't know how you would do it. You just flick that up and it comes up. And then you just put the other flint in, I suppose. Well, you'd have to have a flint that was the right size. But it's quite interesting that, isn't it? That's quite exciting that, isn't it? You wouldn't have to take the turret off at all, would you? You wouldn't have to take the tank apart at all, would you? If that was... I didn't know that, you see. And this is something that you find out when you take these toys apart. That's how they go. Look, now that's not even straight, is it? Look, that's not... It's not at the right angle, is it? I don't know. It's mental. What isn't at the right angle? Well, this piece of metal is supposed to clip into there. Okay? So there you go. It's clipped in. So, there you go. That's how that goes. So you can actually take that piece out by lifting this prong and just put a flint in and not have to take the tank apart. Well, who would have known that? It's an interesting experience, don't you think? Anyway, so now you see I've done more than I should do. Anyway, so there's the flint in. That's that. And now I'm going to oil the motor. Okay, so he wants me to watch me do that. Okay, this is the nearly empty can of WD. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray a whole rake of oil into this. Okay? Because, I mean, I just grabbed that just now and I got rust all over my fingers from the inside, so I'm just going to spray that all in there. We'll give it a good, make sure the wheels are going to work. Well, they do anyway, but, you know. And all this at the front here. Because that's never been done, has it? Because no one's ever had this apart before. But anyway, there we go. There we go. And then, so the next video, this is going to be more than 5. I can see it coming. Yeah. It's going to be more than 5. We're going to let that sort of sit for a bit, don't we? Yeah. Yeah. If anyone's interested, hang on. I don't know what the key is. Oh god. No, I can't find that. Yeah, but anyway, well. Oh goodness. Hang on. Hang on. I'm getting another key. You can see the motor working from the inside. There we go. Don't know why I didn't need to. Makes no difference at all. Well, it ought to, but it doesn't. I'll find a key that will fit this. I've got these American top keys in. I've got loads of them. I got this 5-star key. Have you ever seen a key like this? Yes, it has 5 different sizes on it, and it's American. You can wind anything with this. Just a matter of finding the right one. There you go. See, that one. So I'll just wind it, and then you can see the motor running. Hang on, it's not on stop, is it? No, it's not on stop, see? Dear. I think it's falling off. There is my life. It's Halloween today, everybody. So, this will be a Halloween special, I suppose. I'm sure people could do better ones. So you can see how the motor runs, right? Everyone's doing a Halloween special, so why not me? So there you go, you can see the motor running. Ready? Dear. Well, it's on stop, isn't it? Obviously it's on stop. So I've oiled this wheel, front here. I haven't oiled this because it's not a good idea to, is it? Because it's where the spark goes. You can see that one of the wheels just fell off now. That's even more better, isn't it? Look, there's the, this is the flint wheel here. Okay. There's the solder, or do you know that? Yeah, so there's the wheel. Who would know? A wheel. These wheels are very valuable. If you see one of these for sale, buy it. Oh god, no, I've dropped the key. Okay, ready? Right, ready to see how this motor works. It's all oiled now. Ready? What's this? Gee, I don't know. It's all so tricky, isn't it? How can I do this? Oh, go. No, anyway, let's do it. Let's fire this and see what happens. Goodness, that sounded terrible, didn't it? Let's try that again. Let's see what goes on there. Maybe it's me. I don't know. It's never had any oil in it before. That's why. That's why it's making that. That's why it's going like that. Stop. Right. Yeah. As I say, with these restoration jobs, it's never. You never quite. Oh god, no. Yeah, but that should be able to stop. God, that could be terrible. There may be all kinds of problems happening now. I don't know, mate. It could take longer than I thought. I don't know. Here you go. Yeah, it's got too lively. The oiling was not a good thing to do, was it? Anyway, so we'll have to let that settle for a bit, I think. And then we'll have to put it back together. Which will be the next one. God, that was untoward, wasn't it? That was very untoward. I didn't think that would do that. But it did. But it's Halloween, what do you expect? So, here you go everyone. Cheers. Bye! Ooh.